Hey everybody, Shawn here. Uh, Looking forward to chatting to you guys about this channel that I am starting up. This is just a quick intro to what I'm going to be talking about on this channel. And as you can see here in the background, I have an early Bronco. This is a 1972, and um, the goal here is to kind of go over, um, you know, what I've learned and troubles I've had and progress as far as for what I'm doing with this. Like, for example, I have this hood, I just have it resting here, and it's going to be installed here pretty soon. And so it's just resting here as a test fit. I also have a suspension that I'll be installing from Tom's Bronco parts. I can provide a link for you guys down below. As well as I have a 23-gallon fuel cell that I'll be putting in the back. Um, and so I'll be able to go through the process of disassembly as well as reassembly. And all this has been inspired by other YouTubers like Nashville or Bronco and Matt's Garage and so forth. And I just figure that there can always be more content out there that people like and have an opportunity to learn from. And so I hope you guys like the videos that I'll be coming up with. And if you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe and like the videos so I can continue to grow. And feel free to give me comments on what you like to see or on how you feel about the video itself. And thank you so much for watching. And until next time. All right, take care.